Hi, till now in our earlier videos we have seen how we can open a publisher account on Commission Junction. Then we have seen how we can apply for a particular advertiser and how we can get their approval. In this particular video, we will see how we can take an advertisement link or a affiliate link of a particular advertiser which we can later use to start our affiliate based work. So we will take the example again with the same dummy account of Alpana Sharma, and we will go over here under the advertisers section, that is joint submenu. Over here you can see these are all the advertisers from which we have got approval. Still there are some pending application. A few of them will give us approval, a few will decline our request. So this is the complete list of the various advertisers from whom we can take a advertiser link. Now the purpose of this video is to show you what are the different type of advertisement links that can be taken up and how do they look. So I will pick up a random advertiser. Let's say I pick up this particular advertiser, my PC backup. So we will see how we can take a advertisement link for this particular advertiser. So this is the complete detail of the advertiser. You can see the name over here, my PC backup, and you can see the URL also. You can go and check their website. Basically this is an advertiser who is providing some online backup type of services, and you can check out other details also. And over here you can check out how much commission they are paying and for what they are paying the commission. So over here they are paying commission as high as $150 if a person after being referred by you on their website makes an online purchase. Again, another option is there, or another incentive plan is there for $190. You can check all these things, and there are some policies. Okay, now in this particular video we have to see, or the main purpose of this video is to see the various type of advertisement links. So you can see over here this is a banner link and this is a text link. Okay, a banner link is simply a display type of advertisement. Over here you can see various type of banner ads are given. All these are prepared by the merchant. You don't have to go into preparing this particular link. Okay, you simply have to take the code, publish it online. And similar to this we can also see some text link. I think we will have to go back. Okay, and I will click over here, my PC backup, and I will click on some text links. Okay, so these are some text links that we can take up. Again, all these are already prepared by the merchant. So this is a banner and text. Now how to take the code for a banner link? Let's say I randomly pick up this particular display banner which I want to publish it online. Maybe it can be my blog or my forum or my website, or even I can do it via PPC programs. So I don't have to copy and paste this image over there, because if I copy and paste it will be a simple image. Okay, I will just click on over here. I will go for get JavaScript or get HTML. If you have some idea about what a HTML is or a JavaScript it is fine. If you don't have much idea, don't worry. All these are basic things you will be able to understand once you start your work. Basically these are basic web programming languages, and this display ad that we are seeing over here, we can get a code of this display ad. So this is the code of this display ad. Okay, this code we have to put in our website or on our blog or via PPC programs if you don't have a website or a blog, or the other options that we have explained. And once this code is placed on a website or on a blog, this is how it look like. I have already placed the same to show you as a reference. So this is how the ad will look like. Okay, and this is how a text advertisement will look like. I have selected a random banner ad, and this is a random text ad. Okay, whenever a visitor, Mr. XYZ, or any visitor who comes across this website while searching for one or other thing on the internet and clicks on this particular ad, he will be automatically redirected to the My PC Backup website. Now, as and when he makes a purchase, okay, you will get a commission. They have a referral period. Okay, within a period of, let's say, 35-40 days, if a person makes a purchase, not even immediately, you will get a commission of $150. So this is how the affiliate program works. Now you must be wondering that many persons must be taking this particular advertisement from Commission Junction and promoting it on their website, blog, or on other online forums. So how Commission Junction is going to track, or how this particular merchant will be able to know that this particular ad was placed by me or somebody else, who will get the commission. Now over here, this particular image, this is a not a simple image, this is not a normal image, this is a complete coded image. Okay, Commission Junction acts as an interface between a merchant and a publisher. Merchant is the advertiser, publisher are us. So whenever you click on ad, you have to take this coded ad. This is a complete code. So this code tells Commission Junction, let's say I have placed this code over here on this website. So whenever a user clicks on this particular ad, Commission Junction will be able to figure out 100% with 100% accuracy that the visitor who has clicked on this ad and made a purchase or generated a lead on this particular website was referred by me if I have placed this ad. If somebody else have placed their own promotional ad or their own affiliate link or ad, Commission Junction will give credit to them when a sale is made. So you never have to change this code or edit this code, because if you even make a small change, it might create problem in proper tracking. So you have to take the code as it is. Okay, you have to simply click on highlight code, copy the same, publish the same online, and it will appear like this. There might be many number of persons who are promoting this particular advertisement of this particular merchant, but Commission Junction will always be able to figure out that the visitor has clicked on an ad placed by Mr. XYZ and he has made the purchase. So commission will always go into the right hands. Okay, so this is what an ad look like and how we can take up the advertisement. So this concludes our discussion on this particular topic. Okay, what are the various type of advertisement? Again, let me show you in a quick brief. We had gone over here, banner ad or text link. Now let me tell you one thing again. I forgot to mention one thing in text link. Let's say you don't have a website or a blog and you want to start promoting this particular advertisement immediately. So PPC based options are an ideal platform to promote the same. So to take the particular link which has to be used in PPC programs, though I have explained it the same in the text write up also, but I will tell you over here also. Simply click on, let's say, get HTML. Let's say we want to take this particular ad and mm, let us take some different ad. So I will be able to give you a better example. The ad that we had placed over here, try my PC backup free for 14 days. Okay, we had, so we will take this particular ad and we will click on get HTML. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, this is the code. When I have placed it on this particular website, under the HTML section, it appears like this. Okay. Now, if you don't have a website and you want to promote it via PPC program option, so you have to take this part from this code. Okay, the part which is coming into the first inverted commas after this href tag, you have to take this. I will just copy it. I will show you. So you can see this particular code. You have to take this particular thing in a PPC program that starts with HTTP and closes before the inverted comma. Let's say I copy this code and I place the same in a new browser over here. So you see this code has converted into the URL of my PC backup. So this is how it works. All these are secured code, and all these tracking. Commission junction is what? Commission junction is basically a mediator or an interface. Merchant wants to promote a particular thing, get its thing products promoted, and we want to promote a particular thing. So the middleman who is managing everything is commission junction. For that they are taking some commission from the merchant in this particular case. So with affiliate programs, the tracking is 100% accurate. You don't have to go into preparing any type of ads. Merchant does all the activities. If you are able to plan your work, you can really make good money. You have already seen how much is the commission they are paying up. Okay, so with this video we will conclude how we can take up an affiliate link, what are the various type of affiliate links, and you can also try by logging into your commission junction account if you have already made a commission junction account by now. If you have not made a commission junction account until now, I suggest you first read all the various sections given in the eJobs Junction website. A lot of options, lot of things are given over here. It won't take more than 1 or 2 days to read all the things. Then you plan your work and then you start executing the same. It will save a lot of your time. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any queries or in case of any issues, you can always write us. Our support ID is also given on the website. If you go to the members area home, you can see this is a support ID. You can write us and we will get back to you. Replies are a little bit late sometimes, but we always reply to each and every mail. Thank you for watching this video.